TT's Playroom. Hi friends, let's explore all the different sea animals. Shark. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years. Clownfish. A female clownfish can lay up to 1,000 eggs. Dolphin. Dolphins have more than 200 teeth. Seahorse. Seahorses have no teeth or stomach. Octopus. Octopuses can change color to hide from predators and prey. Goldfish. Goldfish cannot blink or close their eyes. Jellyfish. Jellyfish don't have brains, heart, or lungs. Starfish. Some starfish can grow up to 50 arms. Penguin. Penguins live in large groups for warmth and safety. Stingray. Stingrays have no bones at all. Lobster. Lobster has blue blood. Blue tang. Blue tang fish can change color depending how they feel. Whale. Whale is the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth. Koi fish. Some koi fish can live up to 200 years. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark can swim as soon as they are born. Angelfish. Angelfish can become aggressive towards other fish. They even eat them. Swordfish. Swordfish are among the fastest fish. Seal. A young seal is called a pup. Crab. A crab's tooth is in its stomach. Shrimp. Shrimp's heart is in its head. Sea urchin. Sea urchins have hundreds of tiny feet. Walrus. Walruses can whistle. Orca. Orcas often hunt together in packs, similar to wolves. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have stronger muscles than humans. Oyster. Oysters have a heart that pumps clear blood. Tuna. Tuna are amazingly fast swimmers. Squid. Squids have 10 arms and 3 hearts. Eel. There are over 800 different types of eels. Clams. Clams don't have a brain, eyes, ears, or a nose. Seagull. Seagulls are omnivores. They eat fish, insects, and plants. Manatee. Manatees communicate by making squeaking, whistling, and chirping sounds. Pelican. Pelicans use their throat pouch to scoop up fish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye!